I'll share with you today my recipe of the hardest sandwich ever to resist, yet the easiest and fastest one to prepare. The delicious restaurant quality Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. To prepare the steak, in a bowl add 2 teaspoons of Philly spices mixture, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of allspice and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix all the ingredients together until they are fully combined. Then add 500 grams of thinly sliced beef steak. And with your hand, mix the meat with the spices mixture and make sure it is all covered. Cover it and leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. I left it overnight and only before 30 minutes of lunchtime, I heated a pan with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then I added 1 diced onion and a pinch of salt. When the onions are soft, I added 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and sautéed them on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I added the thinly sliced steak and cooked them until they are just nicely cooked. It shouldn't take much time before you are ready to add 1 cup of sweet corn and 1 sliced bell pepper. Mix them until they are fully combined and leave them for about 3 minutes on medium heat to make sure all the flavors are nicely combined together. Now you are ready to build the Philly steak sandwich. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayo on a tortilla bread, or of course you can use the type of bread that you like. On top of the mayo, add the steak and then add 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Now toast the sandwiches until they are golden brown and the cheese is melted inside. Finally, it's ready to be served. Enjoy!